Welcome to our show-off lighting LED light bar instructional video. What comes in the box? Your LED light bars and your 24-inch extension poles. Your power head stands and also those steel base plates that they mount to. Your table clamps and your locking pin. Slide the extension pole onto the base plate. Then slide the power head onto the extension pole. Place the stands on the corners of the table. Attach the clamp to the table or use the weight of your cases. Now you can rotate the clips and align for the light bar, set to your own desired position. Slide the male and the female sections together and don't forget to set that locking pin. Insert the light bar into the clips and adjust to the desired angle. Plug into the power source and plug the light bar directly into the power head. Get lit at showofflighting.com. As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.